Government grants and free money programs in 2026, $4.96 trillion. Available, here's how to claim your share in 2026. Federal, state, and local governments are distributing approximately $4.96 trillion through hundreds of thousands of programs, grants, and public support services. That's real money, most of which you never have to pay back. It breaks down to roughly $19,188 for every adult in the United States. Yet most people never see a dime of it. Why so much money? Goes unclaimed. These programs aren't heavily advertised. You won't find them easily with a simple Google search, and they're spread across federal agencies, state offices, and local counties. The wealthy and well-connected often know how to navigate the system. Everyone else struggles to even know where to start. The result? Billions of dollars in aid go unclaimed every year, money that could help families fight inflation, cover rising costs, reduce debt, and build stability. Real examples of available support here are just a few types of assistance available through various government programs. Eligibility varies by location, income, and situation. Housing help, up to $5,000 plus toward rent, mortgage, or utilities. Business startup, grants up to $50,000. To find out the examples and more, go to the description box in the reel and click on the tab.